A soaked passenger floorboard in your Chevy Tahoe or GMC Yukon is usually a clogged AC evaporator drain or a blocked sunroof line. You can fix this instantly using compressed air or heavy-duty weed trimmer line. The main culprit is the AC condensation drain tube on the passenger side firewall. Dust and moisture form a thick sludge that blocks water from exiting. This water backs up inside the HVAC housing and spills directly onto your carpet. Locate the rubber drain tube on the firewall in the engine bay. Give it a few quick bursts of compressed air to dislodge the sludge. Alternatively, carefully feed flexible weed trimmer line up the tube to break apart the debris. If the AC drain is clear, check your passenger side sunroof drain. Open the sunroof and find the small front corner hole. If water pools there, feed your trimmer line down the hole to push the blockage out. Once flowing freely, pull back the passenger floor carpet to expose the thick foam padding. Prop it up and run a box fan directly on the foam for 24 hours. This prevents mold and permanently stops the interior water damage.